What? Oh! Oh, there goes Lamb. Fuck me. Excuse my language. It's very windy here in Evansville. Sorry about that. That was my my messenger just went off. So sorry. That was my mom. Very windy here in Evansville. Good my lordy. So sorry about that again. Dark skies over there. It's sunny over here where we're at right now. But the wind is really picking up over here. It's terrifying over here. My Lord! Our trees are falling apart over here. Ah! That was almost my head. My Lord. Tornado, there's a tornado warning and it's hitting just downtown of Evansville, Indiana right now. See the dark skies over there. Now I'm not sure if we're safe or not, but there might be a second part of this video because I might have to stop for a minute, check my messenger, but there should be a second part after this one. Okay. Yeah, I gotta check my messenger.